Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we're going to be making vegan quesadilla. So I hope you're going to enjoy the recipe. It's a simple, easy recipe, things that you've probably got in your store cupboard or in your fridge. So let's get cooking. You will need 150 grams of sweet corn, half of a red pepper, half a yellow pepper finely sliced, about 100 grams of vegan chicken pieces, 1 tomato diced, half a red onion also diced, and 100 grams of vegan cheese grated. I got the one from Lidl, which smells very well. Also, you'll need 8 tortilla wraps. Sprinkle the cheese on top of all of the other vegetables on the tortilla wrap, and then place another tortilla wrap on top and just gently press it down. Carefully turn over the quesadilla and so that both sides will get evenly browned and that cheese starts to melt nicely. Here we have our quesadillas, simple and easy recipe. Try it and let me know how you get on. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel Forever Vegan Inspo. See you next time.